Once you've inserted a table into your SharePoint page, you can begin formatting it and adjusting its design. SharePoint features a number of different styles that can be used to change the overall appearance of your table, and it is even possible to format individual cell contents using standard text formatting tools. From my site page below, I can see that I've already inserted my table. This table does not stand out very much in my site page, and in order to change this, I can change the style. One way you can change the style is to simply use the standard text formatting tools. To do this, I'm first going to need to select Edit in the top right-hand corner of my site page. And once I select this option, I'm going to scroll down to my web part where my table is contained. From here, I can select a cell, and if I select the text within that cell, you'll see above that you have a mini formatting toolbar. From here, you can choose to add a different text style by selecting the drop-down menu, choosing heading, as well as quotes, and even monospaced. You can also choose to apply specific effects such as bold, italic, or underline, and even change the alignment of the text within the cell. If you go towards the right-hand side, you'll find the More Actions menu, and from here you'll have access to your text and table formatting menu. Again, you'll see the same standard font styles, font sizes, and you can even modify again by selecting to add an effect. So if I add bold, I can see if I select outside my table, that text within the header cell is now bold. Rather than going through and selecting each individual cell or trying to add specific styles manually, you'll find if you go to the table formatting menu and scroll down to the bottom, you'll have access to table styles. By default, your style will be plain, but if you'd like to change to a different style, such as a subtle header, you can select that option and you'll see now all the text above is bold and there's a solid black line between the column headers and the rows below. You can go through and select specific styles such as header, even alternating rows to help read the data within your table. If you select the option column header, you can see now that the column and row headers stand out compared to the text within. Now you have an array of different styles. You can have a theme colored plain, as well again a standard header style, and you'll see that these colored themes will change a bit the style compared to the styles found just above. Now, once you're happy with your style, you can also modify the alignment found within your table. So if I scroll down just a bit more, you'll see that you have your table alignments. Now, this will align your table according to your web part. By default, your table is aligned to the left. You can also center align it, as well as align it to the right. Now, this will depend on the data and the format of your site page, and you can determine which looks best within your site page. I'm going to return to the center alignment. Now, if you find that you would like to align the text within your table, you'll first need to select the text. So if I'd like to center align the text found within the center of my table, I'm first going to select it. I can access the alignment tools and choose Center Align to quickly change the alignment of the text within. If I find indeed I would like to do the same for my headers, I'm going to select the text for my headers. I'm going to scroll up the text and formatting menu and choose Center Align as well. Once you're done modifying the style, as well as alignment of your table and text, you can leave the text and table formatting menu by selecting the X in the top right-hand corner. And once you're happy with the appearance of your table, you can choose to save it as a draft, or in my case, I'm going to select Republish. And now I can see from my site page that it has been republished and my table is visible in the center of the page. So now you've seen how to modify your table style within SharePoint.